So nataka tucheze ngoma ya Merry Christmas, and I want to show you how you can play that Christmas song. So this is how ile tune tu niko na kushow, but this time round tunaanza na huku. You remember niliwaambia ukumbukange, mark this dot over here. Always mark this dot over here. So me, I like playing with the 5th string and the 4th string and the 3rd string. That's the most zenye napenda kucheza nazo. Now, those 3 strings are connected to that song that we're about to do, ya Merry Christmas. Now, vile tu ulikuwa nimekuonyesha place vidole. This way. You see them? Na ni huku mwisho. Sawa? Yangu iko na auto to string, but remember, dot sijasahau. Mark those dots on your guitar. Then, place your string. This one on the 5th one, this one on the 3rd one, and this one on the 4th one. Each kwa box yake. Sawa? Now, let me play the tune. So, I'm plucking this way 3 times. Unaona nina pause, ninacheza na pause, nacheza na pause. Msijali hiyo reflection kwa sababu it's white in color. So ni sawa. So this is how it goes. Unaona vile nimeshift hapo, and then nikamove kwa hii dot ingine, then umove tena kwa hii dot, then umove hapa. Umeona? Haya, tuanze. Haya, so ni pam 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 pam. Alafu unakuja huku hivyo. So I'm playing the Christmas tune. That's the Christmas tune now. All part sasa. So mimi nacheza stingo yangu, unaweza cheza hiyo ama ufanye ile nikuonyesha ya mbili. So ni Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Alafu so tunaimbia I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Now, try that one. No, that one is for me. It's for you. I want you to play the one. Record yourself. Send it to me. I'd really love to compile your videos. You never know. You never know. Yeah.